Hello everyone. We shall move on with one more problem on the weighted aggregator price index number of fishes. Here the given information is quite a little bit different with the earlier case. Here what they have given is, they have given you the item, base price year, base years of price, base years of value, current year of price, current year of value. Understand with this one, as I said with the earlier case, value is equals to nothing but base year P0 into Q0, whereas current year value is nothing but Q1 into P1. I've written it here. Remember with this equation, value of a base year equals to expenditure. Sometimes they may give you value, sometimes they may tell you expenditure also. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ that equals to P0 Q0. Value of current year is equals to expenditure of current year equals to P1 Q0. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Sometimes they may give you value, sometimes they may give you as expenditure. Okay, so at that time what you have to do is, we have only P1 P0 as well as P1, but we don't have what is Q1 and Q0. Okay, so we have to find out what is Q1 and Q0. To find out with that, we need to apply the formula, which is Q0 value V0 divided by P0. Why we have to use this formula? It is simple, where you have to understand. We need to find out what is the quantity we have purchased. Value says total amount paid for purchase of 1 unit of a product which cost 30. Okay, total value is 60. For example, ivaga you have purchased a pen which is worth of rupees 10. Okay, the total amount what you have paid is 100 rupees. Nee 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ, which is cost of one penny 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. So what is the total quantity you have purchased? It is ultimately 100 divided by 10, which will be of 10 of pen what you have purchased. Understand with the concept over here. Okay, why we have to here the current year and the base year. For example, here you have purchased a pen worth rupees 10, where you have paid a total amount of rupees 100. So what is the quantity purchased? It is the quantity purchased we need to find out. So it is ultimately 100 divided by 10, which is of 10 quantity. Understood? So the similar, if you have paid rupees, you have purchased a pen of costing 12 rupees, and the total amount what you have paid is rupees 120. So now what will be the amount? 120 divided by 12. Again it is of 10 quantity. Clear? So in the earlier case, if for the 10 quantity you have paid 10 rupees, which was 100. Now you have purchased 10 quantity which is worth of 12 rupees per. So the earlier base year and the current year, which is differing. Okay, understand with this concept. So this is the what the formula we have been substituted. Value is the total amount you have paid, and the price is per quantity price. So we'll get to know what is our quantity. So value divided by price is nothing but quantity of a base year, quantity of a current year. So value divided by P1. To calculate with the fishes, we want Q1 P0 as well. Okay, so we need to find out these two. So write down P0 3254, value equals to P0 Q1, which is 60 42 20 12. Same P1 7234. V of value of current year is V1 equals to P1 into Q1, 56 28 36 40 total. Now we will find out what is Q0. Okay, quantity of a base year. So value of base year divided by price of base year. Value of base year is 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20. I'll write down here. Divided by 3 equals to 20. This is 42 divided by 2, which is a 21. 20 divided by 5, 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. Clear? This is the calculation for the same with the Q1 quantity of the current year, V1 divided by P1, 56 divided by 7 divided by 7, which is 8. 28 divided by 2, which is 14. 36 divided by 3, 12. 40 divided by 4, 10. Okay. This will be your calculation. Now we can find out what is our P1, Q0, Q0, P0, P0, Q1. So P1 is 7, Q0 is 20. 7 into 20, 140. 2 into 21, 42. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 10, sorry, 4 into 3, 12. Now P0, Q1, P0, and with the Q1, 3 into 8, 24. 2 into 14, 28. 5 into 12, 60. 4 into 10, 40. Okay. Now substitute the values for the fissures for price index number. Sum of P1 Q0. Sum of P1 Q0 is 206. 206 divided by P0 Q0. P0 Q0 134. 134. P1 Q1 160. 160. P0 Q1 is 520. 552 into 100. So by dividing this, you'll get 1.5373 into, by dividing this, you'll get 1.0526 into 100. By multiplying these two, you'll get 1.6182. Get the square root of this, you'll get 1.2720 into 100. Multiply with this one, you'll get 127.20. For the same, for the quantity index number, sum of Q1 P0, sum of Q1 P0 is 152. 152. P0 Q0 is 134. 134. Then P1 Q1 is 60. 160. Q0 P1 is 206. 206 into 100. So by dividing this, I'll get 1.3443. By dividing this, I'll get 0.7766 into 100. By multiplying these two, you'll get 0.8810. 10. Get the square root of this one, you'll get 0.9386. Multiply with 100, you'll get 93.8621. Clear? I hope you'll understand with this. When expenditure is given, you have to take this format. Okay, remember with this formula how to calculate with the quantity of a base year, quantity of a current year. Okay, sometimes they may ask you for the 2 marks also. What will be the quantity of base year, what will be the quantity of current year? So remember this one. Thank you.